International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March each year. Over the decades, the objective of this day has evolved and embraced culture and ethnicity to emerge as a celebration of appreciation, respect, and love towards women.
You're all happy? Let me see how happy you are. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Very good. Listen, most of you feel your mother is a break in your career. Most of you feel, because it stops you for everything. But actually, mother stops you because you need to grow faster in life. Unless there would have been a break by your mother, probably you would not have been as you are. I would not have been as I am without my mother's breaks. We have with us two of our guests from Churchdown School, a very nice place I have visited several times. Our guests, Madeline and Christian, welcome to SAI International School.
I wanted to start by thanking SAI International School for inviting me to speak here today. I apologise in advance if I make any mistakes, as I've not spoken in front of this many people before. I am very grateful to talk about a subject so close to my heart. It is an honour to be able to talk about the achievements of women and how far we have come in today's society. First, I'd like to ask you all a question. What do you think you are good at? Be it running, reading, or swimming, take a second to think about it. Do you have to be a boy to be good at something and a girl to be good at other things? Personally, I don't think so. If you look back at the past, like the presentation that just showed us, and evaluate what time shows us, we can see that so many women had to fight against injustice and work even harder because they had ambition to take on those roles in society that thought women should not be involved in. International Women's Day is an event that celebrates this and the amazing things done by women. It is a way to show how women have and continue to influence the world because they are outstanding at what they do. Let's consider some key influential women. Marie Curie undertook groundbreaking research on radioactivity that led to the treatment of many illnesses. Jane Austen became a famous author and wrote famous books that we still study in education today. Amelia Earhart, as mentioned, was the first female pilot to fly across the Atlantic. So think, with today's resources and the endless possibilities for women today and what we can achieve if we work hard and believe in ourselves. We don't even have to identify famous women. We can identify those strong women around us each day, whether this be our parents, family members, friends, or teachers, and the list goes on. International Women's Day was first celebrated in 1910. Its aim was to have equality for men and women across the world. I am proud to say that in 2019, women's rights are celebrated all over the world, and this is only the beginning. Before I go, I believe in today's society we need to focus on not only women's rights, but equality between all genders, ethnicities, and people. I think International Women's Day is definitely a day that should be celebrated by everyone. We need to remember women didn't just get given these rights, and they were earned through determination and hard work. Challenge yourself to try something new, whether you're a boy or a girl. Think about what you want to do with your future and give it a try. Don't give up when you hit the first hurdle, and believe in yourselves, as we can do anything we put our minds to. Thank you very much.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिल